How to manifest anything that you desire through the power of scripting. We're going to give you specific ideas and some incredible tips. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe so much in the power of miracles that we have written a short but very, very poignant ebook on miracles, how to make miracles happen. Now, I want you to claim your free ebook right now. All you have to do is go to the description and we'll have the URL waiting for you. So I love scripting. I think scripting is one of the most important tools you can use when it comes to manifesting your deepest desires, dreams, and goals. You can manifest money, love, happiness, your soulmate, health, whatever you desire. The power of scripting is an incredible tool, but so many people, they just go about it the wrong way. And I want to clear it up for you. I want to make it easy for you. So scripting invokes tactile energy. I never use my computer. Now you could say, well, you're pressing the keys, that's tactile. But there's something about taking the idea, the thought, the picture, and bringing it down through your nervous system, through your muscles, and onto the page. There's just something magical that takes place. And so I suggest that you always prepare to write. Now, what I've done is I have a dedicated journal. As a matter of fact, I have several journals, and I'm going to explain to you why you might want to do that here in a moment. But have a dedicated journal. Now, I know people that they'll create a scripting diary out of some old paper, an old notebook from school or something like that. And I'm not saying that won't work, but there's something, let me go over here. There's something really special about having a nice leather journal that is dedicated to one idea, one concept. Now, remember, a scripting journal is not a diary. What scripting does is it awakens your imagination, which increases the amount of sensitivity or feeling that you feel in regards to your intention. And all of the great manifestors believe that feeling is absolutely essential in manifesting your deepest desires, dreams, and goals. So, high flyers, I suggest that first off, you get a good pen. Now, this happens to be a cross pen, I believe, and I only use this pen when I am scripting. I don't use it for notes. I don't use it for anything else. This is my scripting pen. I've literally, by scripting so much, I've literally placed my energy and my intention and my vibration into this pen so that when I pick it up, it's what we call an NLP anchor, a kinesthetic anchor. When I pick it up, I'm right there. I'm already into the script. It just awakens me to whatever it is that I'm manifesting. I might also suggest, high flyers, that you not use a pencil. Here's why. Any intention that you write with a pencil can be erased. I'm not about to erase my intentions. When I write them down, they are there to stay. Now, some people say that blue ink is better. Others say that black ink is better. I'm not really certain. I use this pen, which is black ink. Now, are you ready, high flyers? I'm going to share with you the single biggest secret that you don't hear other people talking about. This is a huge secret. So let's say I'm going to write a couple of paragraphs in present tense. I'm scripting my future, but I'm writing as if it is happening now. What I do before I even start scripting is I write out my intention. Now you say, well, Robert, you're going to have your intention written out throughout the entire scripting journal. And that's true, because every weekend I go through my scripting journal and I reread it from the beginning to the end. Each scripting entry has a date. Each one. Each scripting entry has my intention. So let me share you an example here. Let me share with you an example. I put one here. This one here is a little difficult to open up because it's kind of a strap kind of lock kind of thing here. So I don't know if you can see this, probably not, but you'll get the, I'll read it to you anyway. So notice at the top, I have my date, and I wrote this today. And then right here is my intention. And you will find that as I start manifesting my intentions, they will change. And then here is my journal for the day. And I script, some people script 3 times a week, some people script every day. I script 5 days a week, and then on the weekend, all I do is reread my scripting. So let me read this one to you. It says, March 29th, 2021. I am reaching millions of people daily with a positive message on the law of attraction. That's my intention, to reach as many of you as possible every single day with a positive, uplifting message on the law of attraction. Now, I'll read this to you. Today, I'm spending time in our studio recording programs that are designed to empower the soul. The first program is on vibration. Rachel is empowering me with clever and creative ideas, and together we are feeling unstoppable. After a full day of recording, we'll eat dinner, relax for a bit, and do some swimming with Julian. I'm so excited about this project. Notice how I ended the scripting entry. I'm so excited. I feel so good about this. I really enjoy this. I love doing this. You always end with a positive, uplifting note. So again, you can use one journal or you can use several. The late Dr. John Dee, who lived in the 1600s, was the astrologer for Queen Elizabeth and considered the most intelligent man of that era. He had 3 journals, perhaps 4. We never found the 4th one. 3 to 4 journals that were scripting diaries that he used on a regular basis. So your choice is yours. Okay. See it, feel it, write it down, and then believe it. Want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You have a great day. You deserve it. We'll see you next time.